Welcome to the Cloud Network channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Git and Git-Gui on Ubuntu. One second. So I am going to install Git and Git-Gui on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS, which I am using. You can also install this in Debian and in Linux Mint. Method are same for this installation, and you can find these all commands in below to my video in the description box. Just there will be a link, you know, to click on that link. That is my blog will be there. It will be redirect to websites. There you can find these commands, everything. So let's begin with the first one. What is showing here is the officially website of the GitHub, and this one is for the Git. Okay, so the both have been already have been open it here. So let's copy and check this free website about this one. So you can see this as the GitHub is already open is there. I'm going to CM is there. The version is 2.26, the latest version is there, and this one also you can see the same one. So yeah, you can see about the first command is to update one. So it's just type sudo apt -get update your operating system. It will be gonna update with the latest one. So once it complete upgrade, then we need to type the update and upgrade also you can use. Okay, so after that the second step is to install the Git, or you can use this one or this one to install this one. I'm going to use this one here. So let's check whether it's working, the command. Okay, it's not working, so let's begin with Git only. Okay, now it's there is a completely install, I think. So we'll verify whether this have already been installed by typing Git version. So on the screen you can see I have installed, but my version is 2.17.1 is the version. But I will go to show you with the second method is there. This is the method 1 actually, which I forget to write here, method 1, and this one is the second method for installing Git and from the source. Okay, so let's do the first one command to copy this one. I'm going to use the latest one here. For that I'm going to show you from the second method also, typing and installing. Just ignore all those things. Then either you can go to this directory or to this directory, anyone you can use for that downloading. So I'm going to temp here. So let's type either this one command or else this one command to install the your from the source one. So how you can change the latest one here is through the website. You can check here. So how you can download it manually also. Just because of that one, first I'm going to go back here actually. Okay, here once you open this website here, you need to click on master here. On the screen you can see the master here will be there. You need to click on tags. On the tags you can see the version 2.26, the latest version is there. Just select that version. Okay, after selecting the version, it will be redirected. Need to click on clone download is there. So once you can copy this one or download the zip file also, it will be fine. So for the terminal you can just select this command and change the version here, whatever you want to give the version, latest version. Okay, so once just copy and paste the first one command. You can use the down one also, this command second one, which is the same is there for downloading. So it's downloading started. This size actually it's not showing here. It's maybe a very little bit size is there. Okay, besides let's type ls. If I type ls, we'll get here is the file. Okay, so let's clear this one. So now what we have to do is, the download completed, we need to unzip. Okay, for unzip I will use this command and type this sudo, then press enter. So it's completing, and zip also completed. Okay, then this version is there. Okay, which so let's pause. Let this cd, so step press enter, clear, I've been into the GitHub path here. So what we do is we'll type the log make conversion, this command 7th one, press and enter. Then I'm going to install the make fix fatal error no search for directory. I got it, so I need to solve this error. Why? So let's check the version that what happened. That's it's 2.7 only version. So let's clone then we need to go to this cloning the GitHub here. So GitHub clone, you can use this one or this command, the same. Actually I got from this command where you see, this is what I was saying, just you can copy from here and then clicking, then you can come onto your terminal or this page. So here you can see that copy this one. Before that one command, use git clone, then press enter. So it will be either you can use this one or this one. Then we need to go to that path. After that it may take some time downloading. It takes time. Please be patient. It will that come and it will be downloaded on my home page. So what I have done is here, when I got the run after installing, so I just run one command here, that is one step installation to solve that error. The which one that I will show you here. This was the error I was getting, so I solved that issue. That means I got this solution for that one. So I just have installed, this is the first one, this one package you need to install, and then you need to install one more, is that this one. So after installing these two, you need to then the problem will solve. Okay, so like I have installed the both two. After installing, then I run this command, it's got compiling. So then I will run this command. Okay, then I will show you the next step. So go into the configuration file here. Okay, so I'm clearing everything here. Just we need to add here configuration file here. Okay, so I'll be going to my temp file, the GitHub story. Okay, so this is about that one. Now just paste and enter. Now instead of cloud network name, you can give here like any name. Okay, and instead of my email ID, you can you need to give your email ID. Okay, so that's fine here. Now we'll check GitHub config space / list. So in this way we'll show you my name and the email ID I got. And if you want to edit the configuration file, so just copy and paste it here. So you will be see you can change. So in this way you can set up the Git, you can clone, and you can check the versions. About that way you can forget this error, and just if you follow these steps you can install GitHub. Okay, don't need to worry about. After that you can directly configure your GitHub and you can send. Okay, so if you have any problem you can comment below to me. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to Cloud channel.